Hello guys, I'm here again, and today I'm gonna show you a budget gaming rig for around $200. Now it's not exactly 200, it's $215, but really this rig is awesome and you won't have any problems with it. It's based on a lot of used components, but it will play almost any game at 1080p on medium to high. It has a lot of older components, so be prepared. And we had to make some sacrifices in terms of speed, of a hard drive, RAM, and so on. So firstly, we've got our CPU, legendary Q6600. This is a really good CPU for the price, around $19, $20. This is a top-rated seller, a trusted seller. So really, this CPU is quite awesome, and you can get it for a really cheap price. It's based on an outdated EVGA 775 socket, but it's really not that expensive, and you get a really good CPU. Next, we've got our motherboard. We have an Intel DQ33GOE. I really don't bother about the name. It's an EVGA 775 motherboard, so it's an older socket. Now it is about $25, but 775 motherboards are going for $35. As you can see, this has almost expired. So really, this motherboard is good for the price, but I'm telling you, people, hurry up and get this motherboard for a really cheap price. It has 4 DIMM slots, so it's really good, but the minus is that it supports only 4x2, not 4x4 gigs of memory. And we went with the Samsung 2x2 gigabytes kit of DDR2 memory. It costs about $19 as well, and it's really not a bad memory. It's also a top-rated seller, and it's with free shipping. And this memory, I think I really don't have to spend any words. This memory is really awesome, and for this price, you really can't complain about it. Now it looks to me like DDR3 because of the notches here, but I think it's DDR2 because DDR2 has notches in the middle, while DDR3 has notches moved a little bit, so it's probably DDR2, but it looks a little bit like DDR3. Also, if you want more, you can get 2 of these kits for around $40, and you get 8 gigabytes. Next, we got our graphics cards. We went with the GTX 750 Ti. It's also almost expired card, and it's on a bid, and it has really high price shipping. But if you live in US, it's a lot lower shipping price than to me in Croatia. And really, for this kind of a price, I wouldn't miss out on it. Other GTX 750 Ti's are around $80, but this one is also pretty good. And it's really a good graphics card. So next we got our case. We went with the same case as in the $400 build. It's the DIYPC P48W. It's on an action, so you'll have to hurry, otherwise you'll need to get a cheap case. But really, this case is great for the price, and if you can get it while it's on the action, it will definitely be worth it. It's one of the best cases available, and I really love this case. I want it for myself, but I don't have the money. Next up, we got our hard drive, and as I said, we needed to make some sacrifices. It's 320 gig with only 8 instructions. Really low. It's slow, but what to do? We had to make some sacrifices. $250. Now you will pay if you don't get exactly